Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Richmond County Hospice, where this weekend the fun will be outside, not inside like we are right now. And it will be for the third annual Cool Cars presented by Watson King Funeral Homes. It starts at 10 a.m. and will end at 2 p.m. Registration for the car show is at 8 a.m. You can see the trophies, two of the trophies and some of the props behind me for the car show. There will be awards and recognitions for the top 25 in both cars and motorcycles. And along with the car show fun, there will also be hot dogs, tacos, and barbecue. Some vendors will be on site, so come out and support a great cause here at Richmond County Hospice this Saturday, March 25th from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Tonight, there is a Richmond County Chamber of Commerce Business After 5 event that will start at 5:30, and this is a multi-member event sponsored by Cornerstone Insurance, TRG Sign Company in Hamlet, and also Sandhills Shag. The event starts at 5:30, and there is more information available online under the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce Facebook page. Also tonight, Hudson Brothers is hosting a paint night starting at 6 p.m. Tomorrow, March 24th, the Dig or Die No Prep Racing Series returns to Rockingham Dragway for Flashlight Fiesta 3. The gates will open at 4 p.m. and you will have 2 nights to experience the No Prep Racing fun, which is where they start on the opposite end of the track, normally where racers would be slowing down. This will be their starting line. You can see the Rockingham Dragway website or Facebook page to get more details about this event. Also, there will be live music in town with Erik Hawks Live at Hudson Brothers. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke in Hamlet at Hail Mary's. They will have their Friday specials along with the lounge at Godfathers with their ladies specials on Friday night. On Saturday, the 25th, there will be a Richmond County Disc Golf Group event, a spring tag challenge at Hinson Lake. There will also be an autism event, a spring fling at Crystal Dawn Retreat that afternoon at 3 p.m. More information on these events is available on Facebook. And don't forget about the Cool Cars here at Hospice starting at 10 a.m. and Dig or Die, that will be at Rockingham Dragway. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit Richmond County NC. We'll see you next week.